You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this Italian phrase. This is the name of a composition by Puccini. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations from music, stay tuned. I've got tons more videos for you, meaning what a frozen little hand. Che gelida manina. Gelida means frozen, manina means small hand. Che gelida manina, Italian pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.